Hey, what's up everybody? So if you're like me, it's a major point of stress when the water filter light comes on in your refrigerator. And so in this video, I'm going to recommend some go-to filters that'll save you a ton of money. The original filters are very expensive, and these have worked really well for me. I'll put a link in the description below, but here it is. Looks exactly the same as the filters proposed that you use by the actual manufacturer of your refrigerator. Now, I'm not a scientist, but it claims to trap all the lead, chlorine, iron, and other contaminants, obviously at a fraction of the cost. Now, it comes with these little stickers here so you can keep track of when you should change it next. And so to actually change the filter, it's pretty simple. You make a little path, clear out the food, and you're going to twist the old filter clockwise here as shown, and about a half a turn or so, and it kind of pops right out. Now it is filled with water, so be careful. You don't want to tip it over prematurely, but I just dump it out in the sink there and just kind of let it drain. And depending on the angle at which you turn it, more water will come out or less water. So I just like to get that nice and empty. Now I move on to the new one. I will struggle here unwrapping it from its plastic, and you can see it's got a little piece of tape over the top to indicate that it's never been used, brand new. And this is what it looks like. So you grab the filter and you twist it back counterclockwise this time, and about a half a turn you'll feel it kind of get snug. It doesn't turn anymore. Do not overturn it. You don't want to break anything. And go ahead and apply the current March, or the current date, the month here. For me it's March, and I'll just slap it on there so I know and have an idea of when I last changed it. Now, the instructions indicate you'll need to run the filter for several minutes to clear out all the contaminants that may be left during the manufacturing process of the filter. So this particular one indicates a 5-minute timer, so I just grab an empty water jug here and fill it up, set the microwave timer. And I do check for leaks just to make sure that's on nice and tightly. All looks good, so I'm just going to fill this up for a total of 5 minutes, and I just dump it. You could water flowers with it. It happens to be during the winter at present, so I'm not going to be watering flowers, but certainly if you want to recycle the water that you spend here, highly recommended. And so 5 minutes later, the new filter is ready to drink. Now the old filter you can recycle it. It seems to be mostly plastic, and hopefully I'm not over recycling here and it just ends up in the dump, but I do like to recycle. And then hit the water filter button, hold it down for 3 seconds to reset the timer there, and we are operational again. We have a clean filter with clean water and at a fraction of the cost. Again, I'll put in a link in the description below if you're interested in this particular filter. Thank you so much, and I hope this video has been helpful.